Welcome to Smart Life with Mr. P, where knowledge meets freedom. Here we believe that the right information can open doors, spark creativity, and empower you to take control of your digital world. Together, let's unlock the future, one smart decision at a time. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about what's next, you're in the right place. Get ready to explore, learn, and level up your life with the power of technology. You've probably seen ChatGPT everywhere. It's been making waves across the internet. It's hard to miss the buzz surrounding this new technology. ChatGPT is a real game changer in how we interact with computers. It represents a significant leap forward in artificial intelligence. You can actually collaborate with it, engaging in a dynamic and interactive dialogue. It's like having a digital assistant that can help you brainstorm ideas, write content, and solve problems. It can be a powerful tool for boosting productivity, enhancing your understanding of complex topics, and unlocking your creative potential. This guide is for anyone curious but unsure where to start. We'll break down what AI is, explaining the core concepts in a clear and accessible way, how ChatGPT works, revealing the inner workings of this sophisticated language model, and how you can use it. Let's make it simple. We'll cut through the noise and focus on the core principles and practical applications of ChatGPT. Ready to get started? AI, artificial intelligence. Before we dive into the exciting world of ChatGPT and explore its capabilities, let's take a step back and talk about the fundamental concept behind it all. AI, artificial intelligence. What does it really mean? How does it impact our lives? AI isn't just about futuristic robots that you see in movies. It's actually smart software that's already deeply integrated into your daily life, often without you even realizing it. Think about features like facial recognition on your phone, which allows you to unlock your device with just a glance. That's AI at work. Or consider the personalized recommendations you get from Netflix, suggesting movies and shows you might enjoy. That's also powered by AI algorithms. At its core, AI essentially means teaching computers to learn and adapt, to perform tasks and do things that usually require human intelligence, things that we, as humans, find relatively easy. This includes tasks like understanding human language, interpreting its nuances and meaning, or tackling complex problems and finding efficient solutions. Now, it's important to understand that most AI we encounter today is what we call narrow or specialized AI, meaning it's exceptionally good at performing one specific task but not much else. For example, an AI system might be excellent at sorting your email and filtering out spam, or automatically adjusting the settings on your smartphone camera to capture the best possible picture. However, recently, there's been a significant breakthrough. A new kind of AI has emerged, and it's called generative AI. Unlike traditional AI, which primarily analyzes existing data, generative AI has the ability to create entirely new content, including text, images, music, and even computer code. And that's precisely where ChatGPT comes into the picture. It's not just a tool that helps you find existing answers to your questions. It's a powerful assistant that can help you build those answers from the ground up, generating new ideas and content along the way. To illustrate this, think of it as the difference between an AI that can simply recognize a cat in an image and one that can actually create a brand new original picture of a cat from scratch based on your instructions. This ability to generate new content, this generative AI capability, is what makes ChatGPT such a revolutionary and transformative tool. So, with that understanding of AI and generative AI in place, let's dive deeper and see exactly how ChatGPT works its magic. Now, let's focus on ChatGPT itself. Built by OpenAI, ChatGPT is a large language model trained on massive amounts of text from the internet. You type a question or prompt and it responds like a supercharged chatbot. Unlike basic bots, ChatGPT can explain concepts, draft emails, write stories, or help with code. It adapts to your style and remembers context, making conversations feel natural. Think of it as a versatile assistant for brainstorming, writing, learning, or creative work. The key? Ask clear questions to get the best results. It's here to help you, not replace you. Let's get you set up. Setting up ChatGPT is quick and easy. Go to OpenAI's website, make sure it's the official one. Click Sign Up or try ChatGPT. You can use your email or sign in with Google, Microsoft, or Apple for a faster setup. Using a single sign-on saves you from remembering another password. After signing up, verify your email and phone number for security. Enter your name and birth date, and you're in. The interface is a simple chat window, no clutter. You're ready to start your first conversation. It's that simple. Now let's look at the different versions you can use. Once inside, you'll see there's a free version and a paid one, ChatGPT Plus. The free plan gives you access to a powerful model, great for most everyday tasks. It's fast and reliable, but during busy times you might have to wait. Plus, subscribers get priority access to the latest, smartest model, GPT-4o, plus faster responses and new features. Plus also unlocks tools like image generation, advanced data analysis, and web browsing. If you're a casual user, free is fantastic. If you want the best performance and features, Plus is worth it. Choose based on your needs. Now let's compare the models themselves. The model is the AI's brain. In 2025 you'll use GPT 3.5 free or GPT 4o Plus. GPT 3.5 is fast and great for quick, simple tasks like rephrasing text or answering basic questions. Its knowledge is broad but not always up to date. GPT 4o is smarter, more creative, and better at complex reasoning. It can handle multi-step instructions, write nuanced content, and even process images and audio. GPT 4o is a bit slower, but the quality is much higher. For speed, use GPT 3.5. For depth, creativity, or multimodal tasks, use GPT 4o. The choice depends on what you need. Now, what can you actually do with these models? Let's get practical. Here are some real-world examples. Let's talk use cases. GPT 3.5 is perfect for summarizing articles, editing text, brainstorming ideas, and answering general questions fast and efficient. Need a list of blog topics or a quick summary? It's your go-to. GPT 4o shines with complex tasks, strategic planning, in-depth learning, creative writing, and coding. It can act as a tutor, write stories, debug code, or organize notes from an image. For anything that needs intelligence, creativity, or context, GPT 4o is the tool. Use the right model for the right job. That's how you get the most out of ChatGPT. But there's more. Let's look at extra features. These can supercharge your workflow. ChatGPT is more than just a chat window. It's a dynamic tool with capabilities designed to enhance your experience and boost productivity. Let's explore some of the extra features that make ChatGPT a versatile assistant. It's packed with features to boost productivity, streamlining your workflow. Your chat history is saved, providing a valuable record of your interactions. Custom instructions. Let you tell ChatGPT about your preferences, tailoring its responses to your specific needs. You can also upload files, expanding the possibilities for collaboration and analysis. PDFs, allowing you to summarize lengthy documents or extract key information. There's also a mobile app, extending the power of ChatGPT to your fingertips wherever you go. Voice support lets you talk to ChatGPT hands-free, providing a convenient and natural way to interact with the AI. These features make ChatGPT a powerful, personalized assistant, capable of adapting to your unique needs and preferences. Explore them to get even more value, unlocking the full potential of this remarkable AI tool. To get the most from ChatGPT, be clear and specific in your prompts. The more detail you give, the better the response. Don't hesitate to experiment. Refine your questions, ask for different tones, or assign roles like act as a travel agent. Always protect your privacy. Never share sensitive info like passwords or private documents. Treat ChatGPT as a public forum, not a secure vault. And always fact-check important information. AI can make mistakes or hallucinate. Use it as a smart assistant, but trust your own judgment. Try different tasks and see what it can do. The more you use it, the more you'll discover. ChatGPT is a tool. How you use it is up to you. Stay curious, stay safe, and have fun exploring. That's your beginner's guide to ChatGPT. Now go try it for yourself. Before you head off to explore ChatGPT, here's an important disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only. Remember, ChatGPT is an AI tool and may occasionally provide incorrect or incomplete information. Always double-check important facts, especially if you're using ChatGPT for academic, professional, legal, or financial decisions. This video is not sponsored or affiliated with OpenAI. All opinions shared here are my own, and all trademarks belong to their respective owners. Keep in mind, while your ChatGPT conversations are private to your account, they may be stored and used to improve future AI models. For your safety, never enter confidential or sensitive personal information into ChatGPT. Stay informed, use AI responsibly, and enjoy your smart life with Mr. P.